Hello guys, I've got a nice tutorial here for you today, and it's the brand new Gucci trainers of 2018. These are the ones which come with the elastic band. They've got the red band at the back. Basically the classic white sneakers here come with the white laces as well. Literally the band is as clean as can be. These are one-to-one quality as well, so literally the same feel, same look, literally the same as the authentic pairs, and you can get it for a very good price here, and free shipping included on all worldwide orders. Website you want to be looking at to get these is a1luxfashion.com, the best upcoming site right now to get the best quality goods and best quality products. Also, if you have any requests on getting more goods or sneakers, please feel free to leave a comment below, and we will be sure to have a look at it too for you. As you can see here, for the quality, it's literally the same as the authentics, same as the originals, literally the same thing. It may as well be authentic. And all sizes are available in these as well. So these are the new season ones that come with the elastic band. It's like a strap. Everything is literally the same, as you can see from the bottom of the sole of the shoes here. Underneath the soles, Gucci made in Italy. It's got the emblems as well. Everything is as perfect as can be. If you need any further help with these,